What's happening in Somali proves ukuthi religion is backwards. If it's not used to justify slavery, if it's not used to justify exploitation, it is used to justify abantu abadala being married to abantwana abancane, all in the name of religion. Yangithola? Kusho ukuthi because their religion bathi does not define immaturity by age but by puberty. Yangithola? Meaning if a young male like has his first wet dream, kusho ukuthi that guy is mature to be married regardless ukuthi una 10, una 15, una 20. You understand? Same thing with the ladies. If a lady or a young girl has her first period, by default in their religion, loyo mntana loyo is ready for anything. Kusho ukuthi loyo mntana loyo asangashada regardless ukuthi unangaki. Yangithola? Ubone abantu abadala, abantu abanabo ma 50 being married to abantwana abanabo ma 12, all in the name of what? Religion. Yangithola? Capitalism places labantu laba in a state of need. Then religion makes them accept leso state leso, all in the name of what? God. Yangithola? All in the name of what? The high power. Yangithola? Religion is backwards. Ayikho religion progressive. Religion only exists nje to exploit abantu hand in hand necapitalism.